Listen up. If you are tired of being broke, scrolling endlessly and still not making money online, then this video can change everything for you. I'm going to be sharing 5 side hustles that will give you big cash. Yes, that will make you good cash before the year runs out. And number 3 on that list can literally double your income before December 31st. All right, so number 1, AI content creation. With AI apps like ChatGPT, you can create website copy, you can create blog posts, you can create social media posts with the snap of the finger, like as fast as a rocket, that fast. And there are so many brands and businesses that are willing to pay you good dollars just to give them this. All right, so this, if you know how to write and edit, this side hustle you should not miss. All right, then number two side hustle is online course creation. So if you have a skill or knowledge that others need, all right, you can create it into a digital product, all right, and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Seller. All right, I have personally made 1.3 million in 4 weeks selling my knowledge in natural skincare product formulation. Yes, so this is a perfect side hustle if you are skilled or knowledgeable in a particular area. Now, here's number 3, the real game changer: affiliate marketing. Here you just need to promote digital products of other people and earn commissions while at it. Yes, you just promote the digital products online. You don't even need to create this product yourself. You're just promoting it on websites like Expertness, TakeCut, Chistem. Now, those 3 websites I've mentioned, I am an affiliate for those companies, and they have paid me 6 figures in the past 4 months. Yes, they can literally turn you from 0 to a millionaire in few weeks. Okay, so don't snooze on this one. This one is mind-blowing. Okay, now number 4 side hustle is social media management. There are so many businesses, so many brands that are looking for people that will help manage their social media account. So if you are good at engaging with an audience, if you're good at creating Instagram social media posts, okay, yes, there are actually AI apps that can actually help you with creating those posts and scheduling them. So if you're good at that, then this side hustle is for you, and you can be making at least $250 or 150,000 naira monthly as your pay. Now, number 5, the last but not the least, offer freelance services. Okay, if you're good at graphics designing, if you're good at video editing, if you're good at copyright, you can offer these freelance services for a fee on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can be paid hourly, $20 hourly, $30 hourly, or a fixed price, a fixed fee of $5,000, $2,000, $3,000. All right, so I have listed the 5 side hustles that can make you good money this year, 2024. So which one are you going to start right now? I want to know in the comment section. I want to know which one you're going to start. Okay, so if you want to know more on how you can make money online before the year 2024 runs out, hit that follow button right now, because I'm going to be sharing more tips and you do not want to miss out on it at all. Also, save and share this video.